ToDo task React application. So here you can see this is the interface of the ToDo task. So basically I am rendering the API which is given in the test. So this is the rendered API's data. Now if I want to add tasks, so I can simply click on the new task button, where I can add any task, just like sleeping. And yes, I have added the title sleeping, and let it be from let's say 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. So when I just created a task, so like you see the task is created, and I can simply delete the task also. The one extra feature that I've added is I can change the mode of this application, like from this is the light mode. When I click here, so this becomes a dark mode. So this is an extra feature that I've added here, and this is data coming from the API, so what I'm rendering here. So now let's go back to the code where I have coded all these portions. So here it is. So first of all, I have an index.page where I'm just rendering the app page, app.js component, and here is the app.js component. So simply I have made some functions, like first of all the create task function. So what I am doing is basically I am creating a task where I am setting all the tasks which I get data from the input, which is task title dot current dot value, which is set to be the title, and the summary is set to be the summary, and spread over all the tasks are spread there, and the saved and once the tasks are setted, then it will be saved, so that it will ready for the render. The first of all that what I am doing is I am rendering first the API part. It just giving me the data of all the to-dos which is available at json placeholder dot typeicode.com. So all the data is first rendered here. Like if I can show you, this is the entire data. So if I refresh the page, so this is the entire data that is coming from the API. Now over this, if I want to add data, so this function create task will run simply. So just like I have seen you previously. And similarly, if I want to delete the task, so I am just using the split function in the array. So I'm just splicing that particular element from by its index position, and once the elements get deleted, it's added to the it adds as a set task function, which is my use state function, as you can see here, set task. So simply as it is, and then load task also works. So when the data is loaded, so that when the task is added, then the load task function is automatically run to render all the task data present in the that is present in my task state. So yeah, this is simply the code, and this is the HTML CSS part where I have used. First of all, I have to tell you that I uses here maintain UI, which is a very good UI for the React. So I have uses that, and yes, this basically provide me text include group button as well. So I don't have to write CSS for all from the very from the very beginning. So yeah, this is my simple code, and this is my whole functionality. So yes, this is what it is. Thank you.